Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm the Feline Techie, and as someone who was born in the year 2005, in the year I was born, Windows XP was blowing up, OS X Tiger was about to come out, the Motorola Razr had been out for just under a year, companies had a lot of soul into their products, and now it's flat and boring. I miss when companies actually put thought into their products. Now everything is trapped with glue and high repair costs. People can't repair their crap themselves nowadays. Do you guys remember when the PlayStation 3 came out and everyone thought it was the most futuristic thing ever? This beast was such a supercomputer that I'm pretty sure some company had an entire server full of these things because of how powerful they were. And I don't entirely blame them. Look at this powerhouse. Remember the iBook from 1999? Yeah, that glorious clamshell design that kind of looked like a toilet seat, that was innovation. That was something fun we can look back on. Now laptops are thin and they're barely even repairable anymore. This laptop, the only repairable thing you can really do is replace the SSD. Now you could replace the battery if you want to spend hours upon hours applying isopropyl alcohol just to even scrub the surface of the massive amount of adhesive that these companies put on their products. Now yes, there have been a lot of startup companies such as Framework who have been advertising their products as completely repairable, and that's great. Repairable parts, replaceable parts, adding on features that you normally wouldn't have on a laptop, that's fantastic. Good on them. But for the trillion-dollar companies like Microsoft and Apple, come on now, really? You can't afford to have at least some replaceable parts in your newer computers? Back in the day, to repair something on your computer, all you need to do was flip two latches on a keyboard to open up and find either the hard drive, the RAM, even the Wi-Fi card. And now it's been left to everything being glued down or soldered to the freaking motherboard. Now yes, there are still some products from major companies that let you upgrade storage or upgrade RAM, but that costs a lot of money. Try going on Apple's website about a RAM upgrade from the standard. It's like plus $200 to $300. That's absolutely expensive, and that shouldn't even be the case. I'm gonna be completely honest. Also, can I talk about the M2 Mac Pro for a second? This is probably the most useless Apple product we ever got. We have the Mac Studio and we also have the M4 Mac Mini. The Mac Mini is absolutely terrific for its value. Considering it's only like $600 or $700, the price to performance is absolutely incredible. Now, why would you need a whole PC tower if 90% of it is just gonna be fans? Oh, well, there's PCI slots. You can insert a bunch of things. You can insert a new graphics card. No, you can't. You cannot put an external graphics card into that Mac Pro. I'm sure you could with the 2019 Mac Pro. Anyway, that's just my rant on how I hate current generation technology. If you have enjoyed, you want to see more videos like this, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, do all that crazy stuff, and see you guys in the next one.